Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, I wanted to do a quick video. I'm doing an experiment, so I thought I would do a quick video just to document it. So what you're looking at is a Marx 490 motor mount. This is the rear plate out of the Marx 490 shell. And motor mounts here, of course, and a tab and slot coupler is supposed to mount there. And of course, the tab and slot coupler is missing, because the rivet is missing. Now, if you need to replace a rivet, the only place you can go is Grossman's or someplace online. Order the rivets, order the setting tool, and I wanted to see if there was some easy expedient where I could buy these rivets locally. So I went down to Hobby Lobby and I found this. Rivets with setter. $8, $7.99. It's in the leather section. And what these are called single head rivets. It's just a flat flange on one end with a finished head on the other. So it gives you a nice finished effect. And this is in their leather section for riveting leather together. Anyway, went through the box and pulled out the smallest rivet they had. And I just grabbed them. This has got a gold head and a silver body. But as you see, it's a small rivet. So in that kit comes the anvil and the rivet setting tool. So I'm going to give this a try and see if this rivet will work to mount this tab and slot coupler. So what I'm going to do is take the rivet body, drop it through the tab and slot, drop it through the mounting plate, and then of course the finished end just snaps over that rivet body, just like that. So now what I'm going to do is, let me swing this camera around. I'm going to use the vise. There's the anvil. There's the setter that came with it. And of course, a ball peen hammer. So let's see if this will work. So I'll put the head side down on the anvil, just like that. Take the setter and give it a couple of whacks. And as you see, we have just replaced that rivet with a really, really nice finished effect on this side and a good finished effect on that side. Now, this is never, ever going to come out of there unless you physically pry it out. So anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on these rivets and a simple expedient so you don't have to order anything through the mail. You get everything you need in one box. Hobby Lobby, $7.99 rivets with setter. It's in their leather section. It's for riveting leather together. Anyway, I was curious if it would work for this application. And as you see, it not only works, it works perfectly for this application. And there's 4 different size rivets in this box. So you could replace any rivet you can physically get to do this. Anyway, as you see, it's a perfect expedient. It works. It looks nice. Nice finished effect. And that rivet is super tight, and yet it pivots freely, and that is never, ever going to come back out of there unless you physically pry it out. So I just want to do a quick video on this. It works. It's simple. It's inexpensive. Best of all, it's available. Hobby Lobby, $7.99 in the leather section, and a really super way to replace the rivets, and everything's in one kit. You get the anvil, the setter, and a box full of rivets for $8. I would imagine that is cheaper than buying anything through the mail. So I just wanted to do a quick video on this. It works, it's simple, it's available. So just a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benztrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.